Welcome to 3D Animations by DigiDM, and I've got a different style of release today using BaileyWiki's TurnSheet and Mixamo. I have custom made adventures here. We have 9 in total. I've got 8 on the screen here because I wanted to show you how you might set this up for your player characters. So let's say that I go to create actor, player character, and this is going to be a gnome wizard. And there is this TurnSheet option to upload a zip file if you wanted to grab the zip and have it all loaded for you. Otherwise, for the 3D portion, we're just going to go into the 3D Animations Adventures, and there's a new folder called TurnSheet. And for this one, we're going to grab our gnome wizard, and we'll see the all the TurnSheet images here for tokens and whatnot. And at the top, we've got 2 3D model options. This general gnome wizard 3D model is generated by TurnSheet and is in T-pose without animations. And then you'll see the DigiDM processed one. So we're going to click that one and hit update. And then we'll bring our gnome wizard out onto the scene. And so he's going to start in animation index 0. And obviously he's sized to be like everyone else. So we can pop in here into the 3D tab. We're going to scale him down to maybe 0.7. That's generally looks like a gnome. And then under the advanced tab, we're going to change his animation index to 1. And now we see his idle animation. Now I've got these macros down here where I can sort of show his various animations. And these can be tied into their features and actions using the 3D Animations macro. There's a prone, and yeah, so we have a couple of idles, usually some type of fight idle and some type of non-fight idle. So let's go through these real quick. We have our gnome wizard. We've got a dragonborn paladin. So pretty standard looking paladin. Oh yeah, he's got this epic jump and leap kind of attack. Some type of casting through his shield. Another spell casting animation. This is sort of like a power up one, so lots of spell ones for him. There's a reaction, a death animation, and then staying down. And you see it's pretty subtle, but he does have some movement when he's staying down there. So that's our Dragonborn Paladin. We've got our Bard, who is just kind of lollygagging there for his non-combat idle. He's ready to fight. He does have this lute on the back of his back. And we'll see he goes into a rock and roll jam. His little dance there. Couple of fun dance moves. I just thought this character more than any would be fun to be a breakdancing bard. There's his reaction, and he's gonna have a death animation there. And again, he's probably moving very subtly. That is that prone condition. We have tutorials coming out on how to do this, and this is the character I used for the tutorial. So this is our orc, half orc barbarian. Yeah, looking pretty orcish, but let's check him out. So he's got his idle, he's got a combat ready. He's got pretty big swing. Another swing attack. He's got his reaction. And then a death. And then he's sort of on the ground, hurt for the prone condition. See the death again. Duh. Yeah. Okay. We've got a Tiefling Sorcerer. And she's got some spells. This is one of the first ones I did with this new process. So there's a reaction. And she falls back. And now she's prone, hurt. We've got a Human Fighter. Slash attack. Big kick. Oh, is that the same one? Oh yeah, there's the reaction. And then there's a death. And a sort of a prone condition where it looks like he's choking, hurt, something like that. We've got our Halfling Rogue looking snazzy. So it's pretty fun to like have them have no weapons in hand, and then suddenly they whip out a blade. There's another really cool slide scimitar kind of attack. There's a reaction, and then a death. And then there's, again, a prone condition. We've got a Elvish Ranger. Let's see, there's a casual standing with bow in hand, bow ready, a reaction, a death, and down. And we got our Dwarf Cleric. Just kind of hanging out. Then he's ready with his axe. Does a casting type of spell. A reaction. Oops, that one might be broken. Where is he? Yep, I'll have to fix that. But then he's got a death. And prone. So, all of them are made in TurnSheet, which is AI, and then processed through Mixamo, which is pretty easy process. You'll look for that tutorial with our orc here on how to use TurnSheet and Mixamo, and let me know what adventures you want to see, or possibly even humanoid or even quadruped animals. Mixamo doesn't have quadrupeds, but I am willing to explore more processes to generate characters. All right, see you next time.